Hello and welcome back to Roy's the Boy. Okay, something completely different that came in yesterday. This little mini bike, someone brought in for me, and they said they've got a fuel issue, which is, I've noticed that the fuel pipes are leaking, and it's got a problem with this puller start. So let's see if we can go and sort it. Okay, first I'm going to start off with taking this recoil cover off, so then it'll be easier to get to the fuel pipes. What he did say to me, he's already loosened these two top nuts because he tried to do something to it himself. But let's just take it a bit close to the camera there. But this one here at the bottom, he did say that he's rounded it off inside, so let's see if I have got something slightly bigger to put in and try and get that out. If not, it's going to be a bit difficult. Right, okay, I'm going to use this one of these torque star things, and let's see if I can hammer that in, because it's pretty rounded off. Just to see if I can get a bite on it. Yes, it's going. There we are. I'll have to replace the bolt on that one. Surprised at what tools you got, which will do some of these things. I thought I might have had to use an easy out tool. Right, so that's that off. Okay, just looking in there, make sure there's nothing. Right, so it's going to be something to do with this. Well, that seems strange, because that seems to be doing its job, and there's nothing there indicating that that is, unless that nut is screw loose here. No, that all seems to be in place. Okay, let's have a better inspection of it. Let's move these tools out of the way. Alright, I'm going to take this this bolt out of here. Just hopefully this is not going to spring out on me. Nice and gently. Get that washer out. Now, I wonder if that rope there is too much in it. No, that's fine. It's got a really heavy spring on it. Heavy duty. Okay. It does look a bit worn there. Right, let's try putting it back. Okay, that's in there. It does seem a bit worn inside. Sorry, I thought the camera's up there. A bit worn. That's it. A bit of movement in there. It seems fine to me. So these are the little ones, isn't it? Let's just give that a torque up. And the rope seems fine to me inside. Okay, let's see if we can start getting. I've just noticed on. I can do that in a minute. Let's see if we can get this pipe off of there. So we get a screwdriver in it. Yeah, it says cheap plastic, I think, which is holding that on. Okay, let's hope we can get this on here now without it splitting. That went clever. Well, you wouldn't think a little hose pipe like that would be so stiff. How's that pipe's gone? Oh, this is quite thicker than that. Okay, that's a bit better. I've got the fuel pipe on, and I've turned the fuel on, and it doesn't seem to be leaking anymore. So that's that done. Right, we'll stick this okay, right. I did have a bit of trouble, as you can see the state of my hands. I had to take the spring out from behind. I think the person who owns it has had it out. He's put the spring back in, but he hasn't put it back in properly, because if I pull it now, it's not making that horrible clicking noise. So hopefully this will be done. So I'll get it off the deck, and we'll see if we can get it started and running. Let's have a little go at this. No, that wasn't doing that. Well, it seems to be that is still doing. I have re-threaded the spring. I mean, yeah, I've redone the spring. I've put a new pull cord on. I put a new nut and bolt on now. Can anyone tell me why that is actually doing that? Now, it is an easy start. Let's try and see if we can start the thing. No, it don't want to work. Alright, okay. Well, I'll have to go and get the person who owns it back, let him know it's going to need a new recoil, I think. But and to get it off, you've got to I did try earlier and get this casing off of here, this bit here, and to get it, because of this crash bar is in the way, or this frame bar is in the way, you've got to take the engine off to get this recoil cover off, because it won't come past this bar at all, even with this coil cover off as well, which is going to be a bit of a pain. And there's only a few bolts in it and to lift it up, but I'll see what the bloke wants to do with it. And what I'll do is I'll do another video with an update. Okay, so that didn't really do the job. If anyone out there can tell me why the reason that he's still making that horrible ratcheting noise, please let me know in the comments. So I'm going to find out what the fella wants to do with it and get back to you. I will do an update on it. So really, that's all I can do in this video. So if you do like this video, please give us a thumbs up, please subscribe, and hit that little notification bell down at the bottom. So until next time, cheerio.